At NRS International, we pride ourselves on manufacturing what we sell. Our family-run factory in Lahore, Pakistan, H. Sheikh Noruddin and Sons, makes all the products that help our clients improve lives around the world. Each one of us takes this mission very personally. Let's meet some of our colleagues making this a reality. It all starts with a flash of inspiration. Then the hard work begins. Our product development team turn concepts into reality.
I work in Pakistan with my colleagues to make sure our plans are translated in the highest quality of products. I love to see our innovations help our clients continually improve their operations.
Once designs come off the drawing board, our more than 7,000 factory colleagues take over. Covering more than 200,000 square meters, we operate 4 factory sites. This is the heart of our operation, where our products are made, such as the family tents, which shelter hundreds of thousands of displaced people around the world.
मैं हाजी शेख नूरुद्दीन एंड सन्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी में काफ़ी अरसे से काम कर रहा हूँ और हम यहाँ पर टेंट तैयार करते हैं और मुझे खुशी है कि हम उन लोगों को ये टेंट डिलीवर करते हैं जो अपना सब कुछ खो बैठे हैं.
It's not just tents. Our factory produces all the goods needed for those responding to natural disasters and humanitarian crises. We produce blankets, tarpaulins, sleeping mats, water containers, crucial items needed to safeguard life. But we do more. We produce millions and millions of quality mosquito nets to fight malaria. Malaria kills around 500,000 people every year. Every 2 minutes, a child in Africa dies from the disease.
मैं इस फैक्ट्री में पिछले 5 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ और यहाँ पे काम करना मुझे इसलिए अच्छा लगता है कि यहाँ पे जो प्रोडक्ट्स बनते हैं वो लोगों की ज़िंदगी बचाने के काम आते हैं और इस काम के करने से मेरे घर का गुजारा भी अच्छा हो रहा है.
Our production requires a supply chain that spans the globe. Responsible procurement is a must for us.
I've been with HSNDS for over 8 years. We make sure that we work with responsible suppliers and promote sustainable practices throughout our supply chain. We pride ourselves in sourcing the very best raw materials and supplies.
And this obsession with quality doesn't stop in the procurement office. We use the latest technology to ensure we are compliant with all the international standards and operate an independent quality laboratory.
Well, being a head of quality, it's my job to assure that all our products meet our customer specifications. I do not know who will be the final user of our products, but I know that our products, for example tarpaulins, these are used to repair home after a hurricane.
We perform the quality control test at the every step of production process up to the finished product. In this way, the people who are receiving our product, they will get the best.
Last year, our products improved the lives of 110 million people around the world.
हमें खुशी है कि हम पाकिस्तान में बेस्ट स्लीपिंग मैट्स बना रहे हैं और दुनिया के मुख्तलिफ हिस्सों में ये इस्तेमाल किए जा रहे हैं.
However, we also care about our local community and the planet. Our female unit offers equal opportunities, bringing more women to the workplace.
मुझे फीमेल यूनिट में काम करके खुशी होती है क्योंकि ये सारा डिपार्टमेंट खवातीन का है. खवातीन का डिपार्टमेंट होने की वजह से मैं यहाँ पे खुद को सिक्योर फील करती हूँ. मुझे यहाँ पे जो सैलरी पे की जाती है उससे मेरे घर के अखराजात बासानी पूरे होते हैं.
We are committed to reduce waste and emissions.
हम इस वेस्ट को ज़ाया नहीं करते, इसको हम दोबारा से इस्तेमाल करते हैं. इससे हम ब्लूज बनाते हैं और इसको बेस बांधने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं.
The products we produce are helping people in the world. Our people are our asset and power, and we are creating a lot of jobs in our company.